A dish that commands respect. A dish that unites tables, cities, and continents. A dish so grand it's simply called the king of rice dishes. Biryani. Steaming, aromatic, regal. A feast built not in haste, but in layers of love. It all starts with the spices. No shortcuts here. Cardamom pods crack between eager fingers, cloves tumble into oil, cinnamon sticks release their essence, and bay leaves sizzle with anticipation. As the fragrance dances through the air, you know the journey has begun. The heart of biryani is the protein, luxurious lamb, tender chicken, robust beef, or for those who prefer, paneer or vegetables kissed with the same warmth. Each morsel marinates in yogurt, ginger, garlic, chilies, and a masala as old as time itself. Hours pass, flavors deepen, the promise of richness awaits. But what is biryani without rice? Not just any rice, basmati with its slender grains and delicate perfume. It's rinsed and parboiled, each kernel retaining its individuality, longing for the union to come. Not a clump, not a mush, but perfect fluffy perfection. Now layering, that magical, timeless ritual. In a large, heavy pot, a foundation of marinated meat, its spices glowing. A gentle snowfall of rice, white and gold with saffron, scattered fried onions, sprigs of mint and cilantro. Repeat, building upwards, each stratum sealing decades of tradition, scent, and anticipation. But patience is a virtue. A lid closes, the seal is set. Then, dumb. The slow, silent alchemy. A gentle heat swirls beneath, coaxing steam upward, infusing every grain and garnish, allowing them to merge, mellow, and thrive. Minutes tick by, aromas promise and haunt. Then, at last, the unveiling. Lift the lid, watch the fragrant plume rise. Every grain separate, jeweled with orange, gold, ivory, every bite balanced between spice, sweet, herb, and savor. Around the table, friends dig in, plates fill, laughter flows. In Lucknow, Hyderabad, Lahore, Dhaka, and far beyond, every hand brings its own story, every city its own secret touch. For biryani is not just a dish, it's festival and comfort, heritage and hospitality, celebration and solace. In every forkful, there's flame and family. In every mouthful, memory and magic. Biryani, layered, legendary, loved, a feast truly worthy of a king.